Hi my loves, so if you are a mom, come closer, just come closer because I want to show you how to make this healthy baby food that you can make from natural food ingredients, your normal everyday food you eat. So if it sounds like what you want to know, please stick around. The first thing you will need is your rice, and you can use any kind of rice you like. You can use your basmati rice, but I'm using my Nigerian rice, so I'm going to watch this first before anything else. So just watch me, and yeah, I'm going to carry you guys along and explain the process. So the next ingredients you'll be needing is your carrots, and while the rice is boiling, just go ahead to prep your vegetables, your carrots, and the next ingredients we'll be using. So don't forget to scrape your carrots, and after scraping, you're just going to cut it into smaller sizes like this, and then go ahead to cut your green beans because that is the next ingredient we'll be using. So cut your green beans into smaller pieces like this, and by this time the rice is already boiled, and I'm going to wash it for the second time with hot water, just the way you wash your normal rice you are eating as an adult. So after washing, I'm going to add the carrots now. So just add your carrots and add your green beans. After this, add egg. So this is one of the ingredients you are using to prepare this baby food. Okay, I told you it's natural food that you eat every day. That is what your baby is going to take. So I've washed that egg, and then I added it to my normal food so that it will boil together with it. No need to boil it separately. You leave it to boil for some time, and I checked it, it's still strong, so I added water. So feel free to add water and allow to boil again. So you want to know that your rice needs to be soft. That is your veggies, your rice, everything you are cooking there needs to be soft before you remove it from the heat. Okay, so feel free to add enough water for it to be soft. You don't need to let it to be hard like the one adults eat. Remember, it's your baby that is taking this. So you can see that this carrot is soft, the green beans is soft, everything is soft, and at this point my rice is ready. So the next thing we are going to do now is to take it down and then start blending immediately. Okay, so you want to blend everything together, your rice, your egg, everything. Just blend them together. And see, I forgot I did not add my egg to the rice while I was blending. See, don't make that mistake, don't forget, just blend everything together. After that, just take it straight into your plate and then add your formula milk to it, or if possible add your breast milk if you don't give your baby formula. And yeah, you just want to start with natural food, then just add your breast milk to it. It's fine, and voila, your baby food is ready. It's as simple as ABC. This recipe is as simple as ABC. So if you are going to try this, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful, and please give me a thumbs up if you really find it helpful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah.